Alrighty, first video in 2026. To look at the market, I've been focused on something else, and now it's time to get back to focus on this. Let me go and share this very quickly. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and just reset our P&L. Obviously, down here, let me go and remove that. Down here, we have 10 grand in profit. Excuse me, paper trading to be exact. Let's go and do something new. Let's go ahead and just reset this. It's a new year, so let's just restart. There we go. Back to zero. Let's say we want to go in there just because our EMAs are finally crossing. We are in this little trend. And we have a candlestick play here. We got a bullish, two bearish, and a bullish. I love that candlestick play. We also have a tweezer over here alongside the V bottom shape. So that's pretty nice. Our wicks are only crossing the EMA. None of our candles have really closed on our EMA. So that's pretty healthy. That is the 4 hour. The daily, we're rising. We are rising. So with that being said, if I could put I can't put a buy right now. It's Sunday, market is closed. So, another candlestick play on the 30-minute time frame. We touched this EMA 3 different times. That's extremely healthy. And then we got a bearish, and we got 3 bullish to engulf this bearish. So that right there that's key. That is key. All right, so we're still going long on that one. NASDAQ. What are we doing here? Doesn't look strong on the 4 hour. Neither does a daily. Seems like it's already lost its gas to make new all-time highs. The 3-day kind of topped off already. Just consolidating. We might be looking for a change of trend now. We might be bearish. We failed to reach back to this high of 26,200. Then we've hit this high. Let me go and mark it up real quick. Probably something I should be doing since it'll give me a better visual. We tapped this area once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times. 7 times. I mean, we have maintained a higher low. So we're just consolidating right now. Let's trace at the 1 hour. Oh, this over here is not a good sign. I already see it kind of tilting down for that EMA. It might be time. I mean, when is this? 2025? Shit. That's a possibility. US 30. Just looking much cleaner. Just looking much cleaner, I'll tell you that. Might even go along with US 30. It's a little tricky for me, but I believe overall the trend will be bullish. If it is bullish, then there should be a new all-time high. Gold. I mean, I have a weekly short assumption. That's the only thing that's making me want to see that we're in a bearish trend for gold. We might have it. We might have it. I mean, if we do, we might have to short around here. Stop loss got to be at 4,450. I mean, I really, really do doubt we will reach this 3,879 price. Honestly, we might just reach around this area before we even go right back up. Just gonna leave it there, see what our assumption is, look back at this video and see why that was. Not a fan of that. I've never liked trading S&P 500. I don't know. very hard for me to understand his trend. Gold already blown off, so I'm not even gonna bother. We might go short here. We tested this 10.10 area. Failed to go back up there. On the 1 hour time frame. And we've yet to really maintain above this 10.13 price. We have touched the zone twice for around 9.97. I mean, is that crazy? Is that crazy? Might be crazy, but I am a risk taker. Still going lower here. I knew that was long. Oof, I would have got wicked out anyways too if I was in that trade. I mean, I won anyway, so not really. And then we got a tweezer candlestick play over here. I believe we will be following this trend. Pretty sure we will be all-time high, so do that. Whoa, what just happened? This might be the bottom. This might be the bottom. call that short here. It wasn't even in though, I'm not gonna lie. We tapped it 3 times. I want to say we're shorting. That 30-minute time frame is not convincing me. I wanted to see a long happen, but it's just not convincing me. It's risky, but fuck it. No, we got stopped out. A mental stop out. I'm just clicking. I'm just trying to find new opportunities. Not only is this able for me to look back and reflect on, but it also helps me with my actual trading in the sense of overall movement. We should reach a new all-time high with this. Maybe we could just follow the trend on this one. We missed this one, but we could always just follow the trend on day trading on this one. Candlestick play over here, very nice. Resetting right here on the EMA, very nice. Another reset with another candlestick play over here, that's very nice. Boom, very tight on the bands before they move up, that is very nice. Something we can answer for sure. I'm not convinced that we're gonna go higher. I believe we're gonna continue going lower before the leg up. You can follow this trend. And that is very healthy. We could still follow this trend. We could still follow this trend here as well. We're late for this one, but we can still follow this. You know what? No. It seems like it might be the last leg down before it goes up, so I'm not gonna want to trick myself to following the trend. We can follow this trend still. Which is pretty nice. We'll follow this trend. Pretty risky. I do believe we're still in an overall uptrend. But might see some downside before we see the upside. So we'll put this down here, bring that up there. Just so we can follow that trend. That one's tricky. We go follow this trend. Guess I had something here before. I'm going to follow it. Yeah, I don't like these type of markets right here. A whole lot of choppiness. I mean, it might be going to the upside though. I mean, this one's a risk. Missed that one. Oof. It could have one more leg down before going up. Could have one more leg down before going up. This one might be an L. You might keep going lower. But I'm gonna leave it on the C. Holy shit. We went through so many in how long? Can I even see how long we were here for? Damn, almost 30 minutes. We got how many greens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. We got 26 ideas. 26. How many's in a hit? How many is going to hit? All right. Now let's see if there's anything for us in the crypto market. All right, Bitcoin is up. That's been my initial assumption. I mean, I could look for a buy over here, honestly. So 3 units. Let's use 3 grand. Gonna buy this. Stop loss is gonna be down here. Take profit to be right back up here. Confirm that. So 3 grand off of this $100,000 account will be our cap, whether it's 2.9 or 3.2. I'm gonna try to keep it under 3 grand though, just because this is a demo account and I know 3 grand should be very easily to get, so we can start trading this live on a real account real soon. So 3 grand. Let's see what it can do for us. In the meantime, I'm gonna go advance in what I was doing before I hopped on here. It is 2:24. Should not be the busiest day for the crypto market or the busiest hour as well, but hey, after 30 minutes, you want to jump into something. See if we're right or wrong. Alrighty. I'll be back. Oh, fuck. We got fucked. GG's. GG's to that. I was not expecting that. I knew we probably would have gone lower. But for it to be that big of a drop? Mm-mm. The only reason why I didn't think so was because we already tapped this EMA. When it might just come down here, or in this 91,112 area, just to go right back up. So keep an eye on it. We might have another opportunity to get into here. Might even have it right now. Nah, I get another minute. Sure, I'm gonna let that cook on the side. Damn, could this be the actual bottom for ETH? I'm a little sad for two things for Ethereum. One was this box right here. I was like, price is gonna hit around this area. Obviously went a little lower, but price hit around that area. I bought in here at 2,222 after all the fees. I watched it go lower. I watched it go lower, and I knew, but it was just me following. I did not want to miss out. I seen it touch 4,950. I was like, no, ETH has to go to 8K for sure. I pull it out around this area. I hope I don't miss that 8K. I really want to trade something today, but we just got fucked with Bitcoin. Literally no volume in the market right now. We're buying here. We're a 6-hour rule under $3,000. $3.8, fuck it. Honestly, I'm just looking for something. Knowing damn well this ain't gonna be it, so I'm just gonna time my stop loss. There's gotta be one more drop anyway, so. Or at least something guarantee we come right back up here. Whoa, what just happened? Okay. Already got worked out. All right, I'm gonna hop back on once I see another opportunity and actually put in sure once there's more volume around later today. That's that. Brand new year, brand new assumptions. Got some new goals, and might hop on Instagram once again. Start posting more content there. Oh, is this the fucking turnaround right here? This has to be a turnaround. Hold on. We're breaking out rules, guys. We're breaking out rules for the good, for the better. For the oh, that's why I'm on the fucking 30-second time frame. I thought I was on the 1 minute. I was so convinced I was in the 1 minute. Oh, no, he might take profit. GG's. All right, well, hey, we didn't lose profit. We gained back what we lost. Unfortunately, we were a little too early. And now it's really fucking taking off. We had the assumption that it would go up higher than its previous high around this area. We got stopped out for the fake out just to blow past our stop loss. We gained back to 300 and some change back on this one trade. Well, technically two. I lost right here once this went lower. But we went back in and yeah, we're up 69.96. I mean, that's a much more better way to end the stream, right? Alrighty, I'm now outie. Deuces. Peace.